Today I'm going to show you how to highlight a specific area in DaVinci Resolve. Start by adding your clip to the timeline. Go to Effects, then Toolbox, and drag an adjustment clip above your video. Resize the adjustment clip so it covers the part where you want the effect. Now select the adjustment clip, then go to the Color tab. If you don't see the Clips panel, click the Clips button to make it visible. Make sure the adjustment clip is selected. This is very important. Now click on the Window tool. Choose a shape, for example, rectangle. Position and resize the rectangle over the area you want to highlight. If the shape disappears, make sure Power Window is enabled. Now go to the Offset control and drag it down to darken the image. At this point, the inside of the rectangle is darker, but we want the opposite, so click Invert to darken everything outside the rectangle instead. Adjust the darkness using Offset, or switch to Curves and lower the highlights. If you want multiple highlighted areas, go back to Window and add another shape like a circle. Place it where needed, then click the Combine button so the effect applies to all shapes. You can also soften edges by dragging the red handles or adjusting softness settings. Finally, go back to the Edit tab and adjust the duration of the adjustment clip or add transitions if needed. And that's it. That's how you highlight any area in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.